Go viral with Faceless AI influencer videos, no filming needed. I just created a viral video for my AI influencer without showing my face or filming anything. Let me show you how. In this video, I'll show you how to create stunning automated videos using InVideo AI and Famous.AI, two powerful tools that work perfectly together. Open InVideo AI and describe your video idea in simple text. Type a script like, "Meet my AI influencer who shares daily tips on motivation." Choose your video style, generate, and let InVideo do its magic. While that's happening, go to Famous.AI and create your custom AI avatar. Once both are ready, combine them and boom, you've got a high-quality faceless video. InVideo AI handles all the editing, visuals, and pacing. Famous.AI gives you a digital person to star in your content. Together, they help you post consistently without filming yourself. Create motivational videos, build a faceless influencer brand, launch a digital YouTube channel, sell digital products using AI presenters, or just grow your online audience. If you want to save time, stay anonymous, and still go viral, this combo is a game changer. Start creating smart content with AI. It's easier than you think.